Next example, using the basic proportionality theorem, prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisect the third side. Okay, first draw triangle. Triangle ABC here given using basic proportionality theorem. Prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle, that line parallel to another side bisect the third side. Okay, here AB midpoint is P. Okay, let P is the midpoint of AB. In a triangle ABC, P is midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB. Okay, it means AP equal to BP. Okay, P is the midpoint of AB. Okay, midpoint means midpoint divide line segment in equal parts. Okay, then AP equal to PB. It is AP equal to PB. Okay, and here given a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of the triangle parallel to another side. Okay, draw a line. This line is parallel to another side. Okay, here this point is Q. Here PQ, given PQ is parallel to BC. Okay, so here using basic proportionality theorem, if one line is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle, that line divides other two sides in equal ratio. Okay, it means AP by PB equal to AQ by QC. AP by PB equal to AQ by QC using basic proportionality theorem. Okay, we know AP equal to PB. Okay, AP equal to PB. Write in place of AP, write PB. PB get cancel, which is equal to 1. AQ by QC equal to 1. Okay, therefore AQ equal to QC. See, AQ equal to QC. It means Q is the midpoint of AC. Okay, here to prove Q is the midpoint of AC. Okay, side bisects the third side. To prove, in triangle ABC, Q is the midpoint of AC. Q is midpoint of AC. Okay, here AQ equal to QC. It means Q is the midpoint of AC. Hence, Q is midpoint of AC. Next example, using converse of basic proportionality theorem, prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side. Okay, let's the triangle. Suppose triangle is triangle A B C. Okay, here using basic proportionality theorem, prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle. Let P is the midpoint of AB and Q is midpoint of AC. Okay, here given in a triangle ABC, P and Q are midpoints of sides AB and AC respectively. Okay, to prove midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side. Okay, to prove PQ line is parallel to BC. Okay, parallel to third side. Here third side is BC. PQ is parallel to BC. See, P is the midpoint of AB. Okay, midpoint divides line segment in equal parts. Okay, AP equal to PB. Okay, P is midpoint of AB. Then AP equal to BP. Okay, AP equal to BP. In same way, Q is midpoint of AC. Then AQ equal to QC. Okay, Q divides AC in equal parts. AQ equal to QC. Okay, AQ by QC equal to 1. Okay, QC comes to this side by QC. AQ by QC equal to 1. In same way, AP by BP equal to 1. Okay, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. See, equation 1 and 2, AP by BP equal to 1, AQ by QC equal to 1. Okay, so equating 1 and 2 ratios from 1 and 2, AP by BP equal to AQ by QC. Here 1 is common. Okay, so equating these two equations, we get AP by BP equal to AQ by QC. Okay, this is equation 3. See, triangle ABC, AP by BP equal to AQ by QC. Okay, according to converse of Thales theorem, one line divides any two sides of a triangle in equal ratio, in same ratio, then the line is parallel to third side. Okay, so therefore PQ is parallel to BC according to converse of Thales theorem, converse of basic proportionality theorem.